In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card using the Teachers Mutual Bank app online in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt or just need a new credit card for everyday purchases, this process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate the application process step by step, ensuring you can apply with confidence. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head to the Teachers Mutual Bank website. Log into your account using your secure login details. If you're not yet a member, setting up an account is quick and easy, and you can find all the information you need on their homepage. Once logged in, locate and click on the Credit Card tab in the main menu. This section will provide an overview of the various credit card options available to you, complete with details on each card's features and benefits. Now click on the Apply Now button. It's generally prominently displayed on the credit card page, making it easy to find. This will lead you to the initial application form where you start defining the specifics of your application. In the first drop-down menu you'll find on this page, you'll need to choose the purpose for your loan. Options typically include debt consolidation, home improvements, balance transfers, or general use. Choose the one that best fits your needs. This helps the bank tailor your credit card to best suit your financial goals. Next up is selecting your desired credit limit. This is a very important step as it determines how much financial flexibility your new credit card can offer you. Remember, this is not just about how much you want, but how much you genuinely need. Carefully consider your current income, expenses, and any foreseeable setbacks to determine a realistic credit limit that you can manage without strain. Once you have selected the credit limit, you'll be prompted to click the Search button. By doing this, you allow the bank system to check your details and essentially pre-qualify your application based on the information you have provided. The system will then give you feedback on whether your application can proceed to the next stage or if adjustments are required. And there you have it. Those are the steps to apply for a credit card online with Teachers Mutual Bank in 2025. Should you need further assistance, Teachers Mutual Bank offers excellent customer support via phone or online chat. They're always ready to help you through the application or answer any questions you might have. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your credit card application.